Hi friends, welcome back. In total, there are about 36 million millionaires in the world, which makes up to 1% of the total population of the earth. They own more than half of the world's wealth. It is 1% we think that when we hear about the worldwide success of a 20-year-old designer or an actor and think the family must have helped them. Well, in most cases, that's exactly how it is. We decide to tell you how the children of parents who are among the richest and the most famous people live and how they manage their parents' fortune. Ben Ford. Parents Harrison Ford and Mary Margaret. Harrison Ford's son never dreamed of acting glory. His goal was gold Michelin gate. Therefore, having become an adult, Ben opened his own restaurant in Los Angeles and wrote a recipe book. He did get some support from Harrison as he participated in his son's charitable actions. For example, he prepares food for the homeless. Ben got his passion for cooking because of Harrison. One day, his family went for vacation to Hawaii, where the boy saw a whole big being roasted on a spit. It seemed very unusual to him, and in 1999, Ben opened his first restaurant, where he offered customers a whole fried animal. At that time, it was the only place of this kind in California. Isabella Cruz. Parents Nicole Kidman and Tom Cruise. Isabella, Tom Cruise, and Nicole Kidman's adopted daughter left America and lived in London after her parents get divorced. Upon completing her studies at the Wittelsbauer Academy, Isabella became a hairdresser, but she tried to never use the names of her famous parents in her work. Now Isabella decided to assert herself and launched a line of t-shirts with prints one sells for $85, which she draws herself. The designer has plans to develop her own clothing line. Chas Bono. Parents Cher and Sonny Bono. Chas Bono was born a girl who her parents named Chastity. In 2008, Chastity decided to go through the process of changing genders. Chas tried himself in music, recorded an album, but realized that it was not his cup of tea and became a lawyer. The realization that he is not like everyone else came to him at the age of 13. Later, Chas published a book called Family Outing, where he told about his experiences. Now he is actively engaged in many social activities, defends the right of the LGBT community, and publishes books on this topic. In addition, Chas tried himself in acting profession. For example, in 2007, he started in the 7th season of the series American Horror Story. Jaden Smith. Parents Will Smith and Jada Pinkett Smith. The eldest sons of Smith family, Jaden continued his father's acting career. Together with Will, he started the films The Pursuit of Happiness and The Day the Earth Stood Still. Without his father, Jaden earned $5 million for his participation in the film The Karate Kid. At the age of 20, young Smith receives the considerable income from selling things through his own brand as well as for his performance. Like his family members, Jaden spent a portion of his money on charity, for example, fighting AIDS in Zambia. Dan Bilzerian. Parents Paul Bilzerian and Terry Stefan. Dan, the son of convicted broker and owner of 50 million Paul Bilzerian, spends his wealth on poker and gambling. For example, he spent $1 lakh on Powerball lottery tickets. One ticket is $2, but he didn't win anything. Dan organized the Victory Poker Room and participated in the filming Salvation in 2015 and War Dogs in 2016. Petra Esselstone. Parents Bernard Charles Esselstone and Slavia Esselstone, the daughter of the businessman, president of FOM and FOA, and an ex-Formula One driver, Benny Esselstone. Petra is not used having any kind of limits. She bought an 85 million mansion in Los Angeles with her father's money. Petra produced clothes and python, crocodile skin under her own brand Stark, but there is no saying that the girl doesn't depend upon her parents' money. She dreams of starting her own business and even studied at Central Saint Martians, a famous fashion college in London. Kendall Jenner. Parents Kathleen or William Bruce Jenner and Kris Jenner. The compilation would not be complete without Kardashians. Kendall is Kim's younger sister. While still a child, she participated in the reality show Keeping Up with Kardashians, and now she has how many photo shoots and fashion and TV shows on the record. Kendall tries not to depend on the family's money and earns her own. By the way, Kendall sells her clothes on eBay and donates the money to one of the children's hospitals in Los Angeles. What would you do if you inherited a multi-million-dollar fortune? Please think about this subject and decide your future. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to comment your opinion in the comment box. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Have a nice day.